Okay, so you're welcome. You're welcome to the UK and US company registration blueprint. Okay, in this webinar, I'm going to be teaching you how to register your company or your brand in the UK or the US or both of them if you choose to, right here from Nigeria. And also for those who want to act as agents to help other brand owners register their brands in the UK or US and then earn in dollars, you're still going to. This lesson is actually right for you. Okay, as a way of introduction, once again, I welcome you to this training. All right, in this training, you're going to learn the practicals and the fundamentals. Yes, so that means this the training basically covers or comprises of two: one, the fundamental knowledge you need, and two, the practical knowledge you need to thrive in this training. All right. Therefore, I beg you, I really want to beg you to be focused and don't skip any of the lessons. I know sometimes taking lectures could be tedious, okay? But it will be far beneficial for you to lay a concrete foundation first before diving into the main lectures, all right? So also, I want you to know that most of my courses are for a lifetime once you've paid for them, and this is not going to be an exception. Okay, so the training is divided into two aspects: the US and UK registration, and each segment is made up of two sections: the fundamentals, like I said before, and then section 2 will look at the practicals. So now let's look at our curriculum together. Section A. Section A, you're going to understand the fundamentals of registering your company in the US, all right? And this section is the theoretical aspect, okay? Then you have the lessons. Lesson 1, LLC glossary. By LLC, we mean Limited Liability Company. And by glossary, we're talking about the terminologies that are associated with registering your company in the US. Then lesson 2, we have types of LLCs. And lesson 3, business structures. Then lesson 4, naming your business. Lesson 5, types of taxes. Lesson 6, US LLC compliance. Then we'll move on to practical company registration. We've looked at the fundamentals. Remember, I told you we're going to be having two sections, all right? Two sections under the two segments. So we are now in the practical. This section contains step-by-step practical classes of the training. And lesson 1, you're going to have how to get a US phone number. Lesson 2, you're going to learn how to get a virtual business address. And lesson 3, the account creation proper, which is LLC registration in New Mexico. In New Mexico, then where are we? Okay. Then we're still in the practical registration. Lesson 4, we're going to have funding the account for registering in New Mexico. Lesson 5, registration proper, LLC registration in New Mexico. This is New Mexico, please. This is New Mexico. New Mexico, okay? New Mexico. This is New Mexico. Let's see if we can. Actually, we have an issue with space, but I just want you to know that it's New Mexico. All right, okay? New Mexico. Registration in New Mexico. Then lesson 6, certificate download. Then lesson 7, LLC registration in Colorado. All right? Okay. Then we move to section B. Section A is going to deal with US registration, and section B is going to deal with UK registration, understanding the fundamentals of registering company in the UK. And in this section contains the theoretical lectures you need to understand the benefits and implications of registering company in the UK. All right, then lesson 1, we're going to have LLC glossary. Remember, I told you glossary means terminologies. All right, the first in section A, we looked at glossary for US. All right, now we're going to be looking at glossary for UKs, meaning the terminologies associated with registering companies in the UK, because the terminologies are not the same. All right, for both continents. All right, so lesson 2, you're going to look at types of LLCs. All right, and lesson 3, we're going to look at business structures. Okay, business structures. Then lesson 4, we're going to look at naming your business. Remember, we're talking about the UKs now. Then lesson 5, type of taxes, and lesson 6, UK LLC compliance. Okay, and then we look at processing, payment gateway, and bank accounts. Now we have 3 sections: section A, section B, section C. Section A deals totally with US, the US section B deals totally with the UKs, and now section C is a combination of both A and B. Section C, the knowledge here is needed. It's combined with processing payment gateways and bank accounts. This session will show you how to process various gateways and bank accounts. All right, so lesson 1, you're going to learn how to obtain your employer identification number, which is your EIN, in 5 working days. Then lesson 2, you're going to learn how to open Wise bank account from start to finish. Lesson 3, we're going to learn how to open Stripe account from the US from start to finish. Then lesson 4, you're going to learn how to open Stripe account from the UK from start to finish. The difference is that the first one is how to open it from the US, and the second is how to open it from the UK. Okay, and then the last one is how to open a PayPal account. Then a possible Q&A sections. All right. Oh God, I'm sorry. It's late already. As a matter of fact, it's almost morning. Not just late. This is already 23 minutes before the hour of 6 a.m. and I'm feeling really, really sleepy. Okay. So this is where we're drawing the curtain. Actually, this is where we're drawing the curtain. All right, but I just want you to know something that I want to advise you to don't rush the course. All right, take your time and learn step by step so you can achieve your purpose of getting onboarded into this training. And if you ever encounter any challenge, please reach out to me. If I have to put you on a call to walk you through, then I'll gladly do that. Okay. Honestly, I have seriously put in the work in this training to ensure you get the value for your money, and I just hope you put in same zeal to learn and implement. Once again, I remain Coach Nancy. Cheers to your global business success.